Welcome to Soft Breaks. Today we are going to see how to do the serverless web postings in AWS, how to achieve that serverless web postings at the S3 and the CloudFront. Let's create the simple React and Angular apps and host into the S3 and do that in CloudFront setups and copy the files. Let's see. First, we will create the simple React apps and build the files. Then we will host it. This is the create React apps. React apps, and if already is installed, let's leave it. Just do on the npx. It's for stands for the React apps. I'm going to create such Softbreaks React app. Just I already have installed it. Just I'm going to create that app. It doesn't allow the capital keys. So it's creating. I just pause that. Sometimes it's take time to create. Now it's completed. I'm just going to the Visual Studio to open the project. Yeah, project is opened. I'm just going to run it, whether it's working or not. You can use npm or the Facebook based yarn. I'm just going with the yarn commands. Start. What is npm? Npm run start. Yeah, just started. Support is 3000. See, Zap is running the default things. I'm just going to make changes on this text to differentiate this something is happening. Okay, going to the tab. Is the things right? I'm just welcome to Soft Breaks. Just saving it. See, it's reflected. I'm cancelling it. Now I'm going to build. So meanwhile, we will create the S3 bucket on the CloudFront. Creating S3 bucket. So regards the region, so I choose unsupportable, can choose it. Settings. See, S3 bucket is created. I'm just going to change properties, static web postings enabled, index.html. The same I'm using it. So, next formation. Just going to create it. So bucket name is misspelled. It's okay. That's just certain times. Can leave it. Can do the restriction. Can create new entity and update policy that will update the actual S3 bucket. You can see the permission. Drop it here, I'll show it. Can redirect if you need all these GDPS based things. Encryption decorations. Can leave it others blank. Give the root object index.html. Just create it. It will take sometimes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Let's pausing the video. So meanwhile, we will upload these files into the S3. Yeah, these files are created. Just going to upload these files to the S3. I think this is a misspelled. To the CLI command, uploading to the S3. So what are the files is created into the build. Yeah, it's completed. Let's see. Yeah, the files are loaded. Awesome. See, it's working. See, the same I'm going to do with the Angular. These are the steps. So Angular CLI installed, then it's apt installed, and run the project and build the project. It's already I have installed Angular CLI. Just directly install the projects. It's a longer uppercase. So it's enable CSS or is a new CSS or SAS or less type you can choose. As a project is created, let's open into the Visual Studio. And the project is all the components available. I'm just going to run in this yes, the compilation is completed. It's running on the port 00. See, it's running. Let's make some changes on this. I'm just going to change component. Welcome to Rex. Just saying it. So it's reflected now. Next, it's going to sync these files that already we created the CloudFront and S3, right? Before that, I'm going to delete the existing files in the S3. On the original file, going to sync. We didn't create build, right? Just going to do the build. Cancelling it. ng build. Here it will be that build file will be have the dist. This folder is created. The build fields are there. Let us sync these files into S3. So now we're going to sync. It's completed. Oh, it's failed. Maybe the name is spelled. It's not completed. Let's see here. Your files is there, and we'll try to see this. Still it's showing the React. Oh, it's not showing Angular, right? Let's see what's happened. Yeah, see, this is its invalidation. It's actually the sync with all the global edges for the low latencies and the caching mechanisms. So whenever you push the files into the S3, we have to do that, creating validations. Then it's reflected into all the locations. It will take some time. And that CloudFront's creation, invalidations, create app, and build app, syncs, all the things, it will take some time. After that, it will now completed. Wow. So the Angular is a scheme. That's it. This is a serverless deployment. If you need to know that what is how it's the limits and the CloudFront and S3 storage and other things, you can see it's only about the usage based cost. There is no minimal things as how it's hardware is hourly based on there here. That's it. Please subscribe that Softwarex channel and okay, and watch it more as a tech videos and that AWS kind of things.